Look at his pink shirt, everyone.
Hello.
Look at it. Let's see what you got on there, dude. Hey, you got the flamingo shirt on. Anyways, welcome back, you guys. It feels so good to be back on the boat again. As you guys can see, we are bass fishing out here on the lake. It's been a while since we've been to this lake. Last time we came here, it was a disaster. Why? It was dirty, hot, and just nasty. Like, we understood why there wasn't any fish here. Anyways, we're gonna try it again. Attempt number 2. Redeem ourselves, have a good time. We do some bass fishing, and hope for the best. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water. We're getting all the way to the boat. They come right to the boat and they hit it because it's so shallow. Yep. They gotta like kill it right there, right in front of me. Right there. Boom. They smack it. That's a stouty hook, so you better set it kind of hard. You gotta pin them. Gone? Hey, my guys! Oh yeah, redemption! Bring it! Oh no! I just told you. You gotta set it hard, dude.
Hey,
let's go.
It counts though because I touched a rod and then.
Good job, dude. Hell yeah! You feeling hit it?
Yeah.
Hit it hard, right?
Yeah. I was standing kind of awkward, so I can't really.
Yeah. Got one. Yep. Yep, I need that. That's a big one, dude. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's just in the weeds. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. Oh, let's go. Boom! Oh yeah. Dude, what the heck?
Nice. Dang, it's big but skinny.
Yeah, skinny.
Nice.
Sheesh.
Good job.
Look at that fish.
I'll go back to
We got a head of a freaking 3-pounder. That's for sure. Look at that. Ooh, look at all the leeches on him. Gotta cast it out there. Sheesh. Look at that. All right, let's get a picture. Good.
Like it first, so you are. Okay.
All right, guys. Nice fish. Turn release. Skinny guy. Hey, see ya. So screw that. Cast out here, right in front of me. Yep, just cast out here. I'm gonna position you right out here. This current right here should have a fish. Yep, just cast out as far as you can. Just drag it back. Yep, see, I told you. That's a nice fish too. No, I'm okay. He's running right at me. Oh, whoa! Get in the bowl, boy! Yeah.
I guess you do know what you're talking about.
Didn't I call it? I said just cast out here. There's usually a fish out here. Yep.
Good job, man.
Stocky, look.
Nice.
Beautiful fish. Gone? Yeah, dude, let's go! No! What? What happened?
Oh no! You saw me hook it though, right?
Yeah! Oh, dude, that was a nice one! Oh, that was a nice fish! Dang, dude! Yep. Yeah, there's small fish in there. Got him. Nope. Get in here. Let's go. Look how skinny he is. Yep. Oh. There we go. Oh, geez, relax. You see how thick they are? Yep. Exactly what I mean. Look.
They're skinny, ugly.
Yep. Got that plier. Look, he's shitting some crawfish out. Look how skinny and look. Paper thin, dude.
Yeah. What the heck?
Yep. Like I said, it's just that time of the year where they just don't eat till later. Get it in there. Oh! Oh no! No! He spit! He spit! He spit! Dude, he has so much weight on him. I'll still fix him. I didn't fix him.
Oh, yeah.
My line legit went to the left.
Yeah.
I'll still fixing the trolling motor. Got him. Told you. That was crazy, bro. I got him. Yeah. I wasn't crazy, dude. It was on a tree, too. You saw that?
Yeah, that's right.
Sheesh. 20 minutes in. Oh, look how stocky that is. Nice fish. Give it up. Give it up. That's big, dude. Ooh, that's a nice fish, bro. Keep it up, keep it up. That's a nice fish. Give it up. No, yo. Yeah!
Finally!
That's a nice fish, dude. Look at that.
David, I mean, Dana. Ooh!
Whoa, that's a beautiful fish.
Oh,
Look at that. It popped right off.
I know. Oh my god. I'm so sure I can take a picture of it.
Yeah. Barely hooked. Dude, barely hooked it, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Oh, I got a bump over. You can keep it in a live well if you want to. You don't have to. Alright.
Take a picture of our two biggest.
Yep.
Told you 7 times the charm, dude.
Alright, guys.
Finally.
So, finally, what you got there, Ving?
I have
What you got there?
A catfish.
A catfish. Alright, show us. Show what you got.
It's
Oh my goodness. That's a nice fish, man.
I'm tired.
Yep. Took us all day. After the 6th fish, right?
Yeah, this is 6th one.
All right,
7th.
hold it up. Hold it up.
There you go.
That's a nice fish right there, man. Good job. Let's go, dude. Fist bump. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get released. Look at the birthmark on the side too.
Yeah, look at that.
That's so cool. Beautiful fish.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, there he goes. Good job.
Alright, man. That was good.
Ooh, that's a freaking bass. That's a bass, dude. You heard that, right? No! You saw that? You saw that? Bro! He missed! He's taking you. You heard it? You saw it, right?
Right here, man.
Got him! That's a bigger dude! Get out of there! That's a bigger dude! He's in a wheeze! That's a bigger dude! I think it's a big one. You saw it, right?
Yeah. Oh no.
Where is he? Oh, oh jeez. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Please stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on. There he is. That's a big one. Oh, no. Oh, it's not that big. He's just on wheeze. There you go. Oh, jeez.
Hey, finally.
That was crazy. Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice bass.
Nice.
Whoa.
He's chunky.
Yeah.
He's chunky. Was healthy looking too.
Yeah. Whoa, that was crazy. Was that recording? Yep. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Chunky.
Yeah, it's a nice bass. Good picture. Just frogfish. Dude blew up twice. Alright. Woo! What a crazy blow up. Nice. Oh gosh. Cool. There you go. They should start cruising in before dark. Yeah, let's go. I see him. You got him?
Yeah.
Go. Keep it up. Keep it up. You got a net? Why not, right?
Why not?
Ooh, it's a good. Hey!
Oh, finally.
Drop your line.
Yeah, there we go.
Let's go, dude.
Oh.
That's a pretty fish. They're a lot healthier, that's for sure.
Over here.
But yeah, let's go. Oh, they are back here, eh? All right, what you got there, Ving?
I have a goldfish.
Goldfish. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Look at the birthmark on that thing. That's so cool. Wow.
Dude, what's up with me catching birthmarks?
I don't know. That's a pretty cool looking fish, dude. All right, man. Good job. Let's get it released. Yeah, go on this side. Yep.
Yo, buddy.
Good release, bro. The flamingo shirt kicks in. All right, Ving, how did today go?
Sorry.
It's all right. Yeah, mister, I lost 6, 7 bites.
7.
And yeah, we're pretty much wrapping it up. We're gonna head out. And it's getting dark. It's going under the tunnel. I mean, bridge, not tunnel. But yeah, it was okay. It wasn't too bad. We caught fish. A lot better than what we did last time. A lot of our fish came from jig bites, a couple topwater, and creature baits, right? Something like that, yeah. So honestly, this water's dirty. Like, it's a dirty time to fish for bass. So I think we did okay. Yeah, not too bad.
It's pretty good.
Second time here. So yeah, that's pretty much. I don't have much to say besides I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe I'll be bass fishing again. I'm gonna try to bass fish as much as I can before the season's over. Other than that, see how it goes. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the water. Yay!